Namaste, good morning. Our today's talk is how to drink water every day. Water is the most important part of our life. You know, more than 60% of our body contains water. And water maintains electrolytes in our body, maintains the body temperature, digestion of the food which you are eating, electrolytes are there in our body. The balance is maintained. Even water maintains your blood pressure. Water, most of the substances we are eating are soluble in water. So they will get dissolved in water and then they get assimilated in our entire body. The trillions of the cells in our body need water. Now the question before us is that how to drink water. You see, when you get up early in the morning, the first thing you should do is a glass of warm water. Warm water I am saying. You can see this glass. I have a flask in which there is a boiled water. I have poured in this and I will drink 1 or 2 glasses of water as soon as I get up in the morning. What it will do? I will take the water and I will say, "Oh water, heal me." Water is a great healer. Water gives us energy. While you are sleeping, your system and energy has come down completely. This will activate my body. So I say, "Oh water, heal me." You should not take water instantaneously. Some people, they gulp water. No, gulping, no, don't gulp water. Sip water. Sip water. While you drink water, sit in a comfortable place. Don't drink water while you are standing because it will pass out straight. So sitting comfortably, drinking, sipping hot water is required. Now the question is, after that you are taking your breakfast, doing your exercise routine, running or whatever you do, then the question is, how do we take water throughout the day? We already say that about 2 liters of water is the requirement of our body. Now how will we take 2 liters of water? You know, most of the people are working at offices, and once you are working at offices, what is the result of that? You know, most of the offices you go, as soon as people go to the office, they will start taking and drinking tea. You know, they have a tea as soon as they reach the office. Then they have tea after someone comes to meet them. Then they have tea before lunch. Then they will take tea after lunch. So how many cups of tea they are taking? They have become used to the habit of drinking less water. And this is one of the major cause of the acidity and many other diseases. Now how do we develop the habit of drinking water while we are at work? So I say that keep a water bottle with you, hot water bottle with you all the time, and you keep glass or a cup, and in that glass or a cup you keep on adding water and sipping. I'm not saying gulp, I'm saying sipping hot water slowly and slowly. After every 1 hour, keep sipping the water. Before you take the lunch, 1 hour before the lunch, you can take this 1 glass of water or 1 cup of water. While you are eating, you should not take water with your lunch or with your breakfast or your dinner, because most of the substances do contain water themselves. And if you will add water, they will dilute it. It will get diluted and the digestion process will be affected. So don't disturb your digestion process, because the digestion process is a process which happens at a definite pH, definite acid. Hydrochloric acid is there in the stomach, and then in the lower part of that you have alkaline medium where the food gets digested. The important point is that what we want, that while we drink water, the acidity should be neutral. The stomach should not become highly acidic, because a lot of the substances which we eat, and if we start drinking aerated drinks, aerated bottles, gulp it, what will happen? They'll go inside the stomach and will add to the acidity. Therefore, it is advised that water be not drank in larger amounts anytime. It should be sipped slowly and slowly. sipping of the water should continue the whole day. So therefore what we are trying to do now, we are trying to develop a habit of drinking water, replacing other drinks which you are taking with water. So create an environment around you where there is more of water and less of other drinks. A lot of people are used to aerated drinks, caffeine, coffee, tea. So we have to replace those drinks with pure and warm water, which we should drink the whole day. So this is very important, that try to adopt a healthy habit, because it affects your health, it affects your blood pressure, it maintains your electrolyte system, body temperature, and the entire digestion of the food is based on this. Therefore, our purpose is that we will always keep water bottles with us wherever we go for work or in offices, even at home. People who are at home will keep this hot and water bottle, keep sipping hot and hot water slowly and slowly. One another important thing is that if the water becomes highly excess, then also it is not good for our health. So we cannot take excess water. Lot of people have a problem. They are saying we never feel thirsty. When we are not thirsty, when we don't feel like drinking water, that is a real problem. That 2 liters of water is required. But people, sedentary lifestyle means you are sitting and drinking more tea, more coffee at the office. You do not have any activity, you do not do any exercise, you do not do any walking in the morning, and you are not doing running, jogging, yoga or any other form of exercise. So your lifestyle is sedentary and you are whole day sitting. You are not doing even the normal activities of the home. Therefore, it is advised that in order to get thirsty, you have to do some physical work, some physical activity has to be done at your home. You keep walking, or you take a practice of doing yoga or running, all this, or any other form of exercise, or even you do practice the habit of doing work at home. I mean cleaning your utensils, और इवन अपने घर का झाड़ू पोछा भी लगाइए, जिससे कि आपकी बॉडी जो है वो फिजिकल एक्टिविटी करती रहे और थर्स्ट का एक डिजायर पैदा हो जाए. So you must get a desire of the thirst, and that will only happen if you do physical activities, and if you won't take too much of the sugar type of products, don't drink aerated drinks, and if you stop other drinks which you are taking at offices. So in today's talk, what we have said, how to drink water, when to drink water, and how much water to be taken. So it is very important that we should keep a water bottle, hot water bottle at our work and glass, and after 1 hour we can keep sipping the water. While you take your meals, don't drink the water. Replace other drinks which you are taking, tea, coffee, with plain, warm and sip water. So keep on sipping the water, and this will improve your digestion, this will improve your health, will also remove the acidity, and by this way our body system will start functioning more efficiently. The cells of the body need hydration, need energy, and those people who are athletes or doing running etc., they need more water than normal water, and we can supplement the water by eating foods which contain lot of water in them, like melons, watermelons, citrus fruits like oranges. They have a lot of water in them. You can supplement 2 liters of water with those other food items which contains a lot of water. तो नमस्ते, फिर मैं आपको मिलता हूँ नेक्स्ट टाइम, और आप अपना कितना पानी पीना है, कैसे पीना है, और समय समय पर दूसरे ड्रिंक्स को छोड़ के पानी पर आ जाइए. इससे आपकी हेल्थ काफी अच्छी होगी और आपको लाभ होगा. नमस्ते.